command line arguments. Command line argument, we always use void main with empty brackets. We have seen, we have used many times main function without arguments, but we can write two arguments within main empty brackets. One is of integer type and another is of character type. Another is of character type. So I have taken here C variable and A variable. A is a pointer array and C is a integer variable. Variable names can be taken according to our choice. It is not compulsory. You have to take these specified variables. It is up to you. You can take any variables. So arguments name can be any. So these arguments take their data from command prompt. These arguments always take data from command prompt. We would have seen command prompt, an operating system window, DOS operating system window, disk operating system window, where we can write a line argument program allows us to create our own commands using C or C++. So how to create commands with command line argument tells us this. So we have learned main has two arguments. Main can have two arguments. It is not necessary. It is not necessary we have to specify these two arguments every time. It is up to us. When we need, we can use, but not more than two arguments. So in this program, we are printing C and we are printing the values of 0, 1, 2 index of A array. So these arguments we know take data from command prompt. In command prompt, first we write program name, then after program name we write data. So data is stored with program name in A array and count of entered values at the prompt is stored into C variable. So printf function prints the count of entered values C. C will print the count of entered values. Then 0th index value of an A array will be printed. Then first index value of A array will be printed. We know that A is containing all entered values. We can also use loop. So we have used loop. Our loop is starting from 0 and ending at C because we know that C tells us total number of values, 0 to C. So 0 to C loop will run and it will print all values of A array. So we have learned about programs. So how to run this program? We have to follow this. We have to follow these steps. First press Ctrl F9. In compilation it will not give. To run this, press Alt F in C++ editor or C. When we press Alt F, then it shows us a menu at DOS shell. Then command prompt will appear. There we can write program name and values. As we have written in an example, PROG is the program name we gave it for a program, and after that is written here is understood as a string type, as a character type. So here output is shown, output has been shown, data, enter data will be printed. So thank you. I hope you have cleared all these slides. If you have any doubt, please comment at given email address. So please subscribe our channel. Have a nice time and thank you.